Hello. This is a quick dev diary update to let you know what I've been working on and what I'm working towards. So the first thing I've been working on is dopeloop.ai. The last few months I've been hacking on the back end quite a bit, getting things into shape, fixing bugs. Basically, I've been trying to set up the site so that I can build multiple small online music apps. So that's my goal for this year, is to have a few of those out. And this here is an example of one of the apps I've been working on. It's a sort of sound font jammer. So it's mobile optimized, and the idea is you can use sound fonts to jam with on your phone. And then you can like select different instruments, and you can also choose your own sound font. So I'm going to choose these pan flutes here. And yeah, you've got a little octave selector. And another thing in there is a pocket operator sync function, which basically sends a signal out of the left channel to synchronize pocket operators. So yeah, it's this type of app that I've been building. And there's also Beatmaker. And the reason I had all that back-end work to do was so that I can unify the saving interface and things like the sign in and subscribe, so that it's the same across all the apps. And so yeah, I'm excited about getting some of these new online mobile apps where you can just get started making music quickly. And I did want to give a quick shout out to this library by Specisus on GitHub. The Specisynth library is a new way of loading and playing sound fonts, and it's really comprehensive and really well done. So I'm grateful for the work done on this library. And so the other thing I did a bit of work on recently is Rogle. Rogle's an online roguelike game, and each day you get a fresh dungeon to play in. And so I've been fixing bugs on this. Like previously, monsters could take items, but they shouldn't be able to. And the step counter increasing when you walk into a wall. So the whole game is paused, so the step counter shouldn't increase. And placing items on top of dead enemies. Previously, sometimes items were covered up by the corpses of enemies, and so you couldn't see them properly. So the other thing I added to Rogle recently was this PWA manifest. And that basically just gives players the ability to install Rogle to their home screen. So on iOS, you can add it to your home screen. On Android, it pops up a little installer, and you can just tap install and it'll install it to your home screen. And after that, the game will get loaded sort of like in full screen on your device, and it behaves more like a native app, I guess. And that's just a little quality of life thing. I think it's nice having it as like a dedicated home screen app that opens full screen. And that's basically a summary of what I've been working on lately. And for the next few months, I'm going to be focusing on those Dope Loop web-based apps. So I hope that was interesting, and thanks for watching.